Hey everybody, it's been a while. Surprise, surprise, again. Just came off of 7 weeks of baseball. We actually got one more game. We had football camp mixed in there, and we also have soccer camp here in 2 weeks. So it's been crazy, and that's just for one kid. I've got two more, so we'll see how this goes. I remember my parents, and now I understand why they were running all directions when I was a kid, because there was three of us, and we were all doing something different at the same time. So anyway, I haven't had any chance to get down here in the garage to work on the truck. I'm actually down here today. Next weekend is the C10 Shindig in Independence, Missouri. There's a couple YouTubers coming. Last I heard, there was like 500 trucks or something crazy like that. So it's a big deal. It's sponsored by CK Magazine and Classic Parts up in Riverside, Missouri. So I'm going to have this girl out there. So right now I've been scrubbing on it. I got that side over there. I took the wheels off, cleaned them inside and out. They haven't been cleaned in 5 years or so. So there's a lot of grime on there. So I polished them inside and out. I still got to do these. I ran out of time today, so I did the interior real quick. Actually cleaned all the bugs out of the radiator. That's the first time I've actually ever done that, but there's a lot of them in there. So just getting it all cleaned up. I want to give everybody a heads up. The C10 Shindig is going on. It's huge. People coming from all over, I guess. A lot of the C10, Missouri C10 Addiction. There we go. There's a Facebook group. I'm not getting on Facebook much these days, but there's a group. A lot of guys. I've met a lot of guys through that, so it'd be nice to meet them in person. So if you're anywhere near, come on, check it out. I'll have the truck there. I got stickers. It's going to be clean for the first time in a long time. Just looking at this bed, how dirty that bed is. That liner, it's got like a Line-X type thing in it, but it's starting to kind of peel in places. So I don't know what I'm going to do. It looks great on the side, so I thought about maybe getting like one of those rubber mats or something like that, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Rubber mat? Leave it as it is? Still need to do something with, there we go, that hole right there one of these days. I got it trimmed out, but anyway, it's hot down here. I'm sweating, so I'm going to quit rambling. But quick update, C10 Addiction, no, not C10 Addiction, C10 Shindig, sponsored by CK Magazine, next Saturday. I think it's the 16th, maybe. I'll put the text down here when it actually is, and I'll link to it maybe. Independence, Missouri, which is east of here about 45 minutes. I'll be there. Come check the truck out. Love to meet some of you guys. Anyway, check you guys next time.